Hey there, my name's Amethyst. I'm with WTI. This right here was my wedding fragrance, and I'm really excited to share with you guys why I went with Valentino Donna, born in Roma. And it has just this beautiful florally scent, but when it actually is applied and dries down, it turns into a beautiful bourbon vanilla. So it's nice and mature with still having those elements of sweetness and fun and playfulness. The main floral smell is that jasmine. So when you first apply it, it's got a very intense jasmine smell. It smells so good. And then when it dries down, like I said, you get that bourbon vanilla and it smells like addictive. It's so nice, and that was the biggest reason why I went with this for my wedding fragrance. I seriously love this product here, and if you're looking for something that is fun and playful while still being the embodiment of mature and womanly, then I highly recommend you check this out. And that's my point of view.